we'll talk about the score of some numbers, and also we'll see the given number is a perfect score or not. How to check? How can you see a number and you can say that it is not a perfect score? Definitely this number is not a perfect score, or this number can be a perfect score. How can you find out? Okay, so let's start, and first of all we'll see some numbers, and the numbers are 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, and so on. Okay, so what is 1? 1 is the score of 1. Score of 2 is 4. Score of 3 is 9. Score of 4 is 16. Score of 5 is 25. Score of 6 is 36. Okay, so these are the numbers. So first of all we'll see some numbers, and we'll also see the odd numbers. If the consecutive sum of consecutive odd numbers given, like 50 consecutive odd numbers given, so what will be the summation of that? What will the value of addition, what will the value, what we will get when we are adding some consecutive odd numbers, odd natural numbers? Okay, so like 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13. So 1 to 10 there are 5 odd numbers. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. So what will be the sum of that? That will be 25. How can you find out? So there are some tricks that we are going to discuss today. Okay. So let's start. First of all we'll see the numbers, and the numbers we are writing is numbers. Here we'll write the numbers, and here we'll write the scores. Okay, so numbers and score. 1, score of 1 is 1 only. Score of 2, 4. 3, 9. 4, 16. 5, 25. 6, 36. 7, 49. 8, 64. Okay, 9, 81, and 10, 100. Okay, similarly we'll write some more numbers and their scores. Okay, see, when we are writing 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay, so what will the score of 11? That is 121. What will be the score of 12? 144. What will be the score of 13? 169. And for 14 it will be 196. 1 and 15 will be 225. 16 will be 256. 17 will be 289, 18 will be 324, 19 will be 361, and 20 400. Right? Now we'll see some more numbers. Before that, first of all we'll discuss this one. When at the ones place there is 1, so we are getting in the score also we'll get 1 at the ones place. Okay, units place. Okay, in 11 ones place is 1, so score in the score also we'll get ones place. At ones place we'll get 1. Okay, now score of 2 we are getting 4. Score of 12 at ones place it is 2, so at ones place of the score of this number we are getting 4. Okay, because score of 2 is 4. So always remember, score of 2 is 4, so score of 12 will also end, at the ones place of score of 12 will be 4. At ones place at the score of the score of 22 will get 4. At the ones place of score of 32, 42, 52, 62, 72, 82, 92, any number that is ending with 2, at ones place we are getting 2, the score of that number, the score of that number's ones place will get 4. Okay, now similarly any number you can take. Okay, we'll see some examples also. And now 3, score of 3 is 9, Score of 13 also ends with 9. It means the score of 13, ones place of the number or ones place of the score of 13, we are getting 9. Okay. Similarly, 4, 16, okay, that ends with 6. Okay. 4 is 16 and that ends with 6. So any number 14 also, for 14 also 14 ends with 4. So the score of 14 at the end, ones place of the score of 14, we are getting 6. Got it? So 5 always will be 5, 25, 15 to 25, right? Here 6, 6, 6, 6. So for 36, score of 36 also will get the number which is having at the units place will get 6. For 26 also, 96 also, score of 96, the number we will get, and that is also ending with 6. It means the units place of that number, units place of the number of score of, the number which is the score of 96, that also ends with 6. Units place, that will be 6. Okay. For 7, we are getting 9. 17 also, you can see 9. It's ending with 9. 8, 4, 8, 4. 9, 1, 9, 1. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. So remember, score of 10 is 100. Score of 200 is 20 is 400. Okay. So when there is 1 0, okay, if we are taking any number like 1000, score of 1000 will be, for 1 0 there will be 2 zeros, for so there are 3 zeros, so it will be 6 zeros. Okay, for 1 0 there will be 2, 102, 102. So this remember this one. And now we can also say that any number, the perfect score of the numbers, you can see 1, 4, 9, 6, 5. 6, 9, 4, 1, 0, right? So these are the 6 numbers which can be the perfect score. So no perfect score is ending with 2, 3, 7, 8. Are you getting any number which is ending with at the units place which is having 7, 8 or 2 or 3? No, no, this is 1, 4, 9, 6, 5, 6, 9, 4, 1 and 0. So always remember 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9. These are the number. A perfect score at the units place of a perfect score, there can be 0, there can be 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. If a number is ending with 2 or 3 or 7 or 8, so any number which is having 2 at the units place, or 3 at the units place, 7 at the units place or 8 at the units place, so definitely just see the number and you can directly say that this is not a perfect score. Like 323. So this number, just see this number, and this is not a perfect score because this is ending with 3. At the units place there is 3. So any number which is having at the units place 8, 7, 3 or 2, that can't be a perfect score. Okay. So any perfect score you can see there is 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9. Nothing else. I understood? Okay. So now we'll see some more scores. Okay. So score of 21. What is the score of 21? Score of 21 will be 441. Score of 22. See here 1, it's ending with 1. Score of 22, that will be 484. Now and 2, score of 2 is 4. So this is also ending with 4. So always remember. Now 23. What will be the score of 23? That should end with 9 because this is 3. So that should end with 9. So score of 23 is 529. 24. Score of 24 is 576. This is 4. Score of 4 is 16. That ends with 6. Okay. Now 25. Score of 25 is 625. Ends with 5. Okay. And Okay, any number that ends with 5, the score will end with 5, the score will end with 25. Okay, and any number that ends with 0, score will end with 00. Okay, remember, like score of 15 is 225, that is 25. Score of 10 is 100. Okay, so just remember this. Now 26, score of 6 is 36, that should end with 6. Okay, 676 will be the score of 26, ending with 6. Now 27, score of 27, 7, it means score of 7 is 49, right? That should end with 9. So what is the score of 27? Score of 27 is 729. 7, so that's why ending with 9. 28, that should end, 8 is a 64. So 8 score of 8 is 64. So this number also ends with, this should end with 4. Okay, so what is the score of 28? Score of 28 is 784. Okay, now 29, 9 nines are 81, right? 9, score of 9 is 81, that should end with 1. So what is the score of 29? That is 841, ending with 1. Now 30, score of 30, 10, so there must be 2 zeros, and score of 3 is 9, so that is 900. Got it? Okay, now one more trick we will see. And what is that? If some numbers given like 1, okay, so that will be equal to 1. 1 plus 3, that will be equal to 4. 1 plus 3 plus 5, that will be equal to 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 5, 9. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. Now 9 plus 7 will be 16. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. 16 plus 9 will be 25. Now are you getting this? Which trick I am talking about? So when one, just count the number, how many consecutive odd numbers are there, and you have to find out the summation of that. So this is basically, there is only one odd number. This is score of 1. There are 2 odd numbers, score of 2. 4 is score of 2. 3 odd numbers, score of 3. 4 odd numbers, first 4 consecutive odd numbers, that is equal to score of 4. 5 first 5 consecutive odd numbers, score of 5. So if someone is saying 1 plus 3 plus 5 dot 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 till 99, okay, what will be the value of that? See, in first, in 100, there will be 50 even numbers and 50 odd numbers. So 1 to 99, there will be 50 odd numbers, right? So 50, score of 50, that will be equal to 2500. Got it? So is this a good trick? Understood this trick? Did you like this? Okay, if you like this, just like, share and subscribe my channel. And one more trick we are going to discuss in the next video. Okay, so stay tuned.